For the first chin grab, blood blue eyes and shining strip lights tripping medical wires glistening, it was forever you and me. He was embarrassed to be daddy. He was young and daft, white lines to damp flats pulling him back, trapped. The grass was always greener for restless he, while we knuckled under in they wee days, forever you and me. Duvet curled, I gazed at crumpled thee, followed all your fingerprints, watched you grow with glee. First pincer grip, babbled word and crawl, cruising couches stone and tall. I'd bawl it for the rooftops, proud to be your ma, mum and mammy. And by Christmas we became two, no free, endless conveyors of state-sponsored meddlers. I know what they thought of we, wasters, statistics and scoundrels, wanting attention, seeking hysterical me. But that wasn't to be, forever you and me. We scribbled out the map on the carpet of our ground floor flat, 3 bars up. We played jigsaws at our detractors, made forts for pillows, armadas out of pound shop tractors, jumping through job centre hoops, water off our backs. We brushed off the priors when they asked about daddy. We imagined a feast for the food banks and bided our time. So if I ever grapple for thee and squeeze too tight, nag about bath time, switch on the light just to swatch your eyelashes when you're sleeping, if I still blend your veg and embarrass you when your pals are in, I'm only sorry, see, because you were the reason and this is our church. We made it together, forever you and me, planned the foundation, built walls and opened doors to make a house, a hame and a family.